Use questioning as a method to learn English tenses. Each question takes 10 seconds. You can pause the video if you need more time to think. Question number 191. Which tense is used to talk about actions that happened in the past but are still true or relevant now? A. I lived in London for 5 years. B. I have lived in London for 5 years. C. I am living in London for 5 years. D. I will live in London for 5 years. Correct answer, I have lived in London for 5 years. Present perfect tense. Question number 192. Which tense describes a background action in the past that was interrupted by a new event? A. She cooked when the fire alarm rang. B. She was cooking when the fire alarm rang. C. She has cooked when the fire alarm rang. D. She cooks when the fire alarm rings. Correct answer, she was cooking when the fire alarm rang. Past continuous tense. Question number 193. Which tense indicates a future action that will be ongoing at a specific time, often as part of a routine or arrangement? A. This time next year, I work abroad. B. This time next year, I will work abroad. C. This time next year, I will be working abroad. D. This time next year, I am working abroad. Correct answer, this time next year, I will be working abroad. Future continuous tense. Question number 194. Which tense describes an action that was completed before another action in the past, showing a clear sequence? A. By the time he woke up, I left. B. By the time he woke up, I had left. C. By the time he wakes up, I leave. D. By the time he woke up, I was leaving. Correct answer, by the time he woke up, I had left. Past perfect tense. Question number 195. Which tense is used for habits and routines? A. I usually wake up early. B. I am usually waking up early. C. I usually woke up early. D. I will usually wake up early. Correct answer, I usually wake up early. Simple present tense. Question number 196. Which tense describes a temporary activity currently happening? A. My brother lives with me this month. B. My brother is living with me this month. C. My brother lived with me this month. D. My brother will live with me this month. Correct answer, my brother is living with me this month. Present continuous tense. Question number 197. Which tense describes a completed action in the past, often with a time expression? A. We went to the beach yesterday. B. We go to the beach every day. C. We are going to the beach. D. We have gone to the beach. Correct answer, we went to the beach yesterday. Simple past tense. Question number 198. Which tense is used for spontaneous decisions made at the moment of speaking? A. I am thirsty. I get a glass of water. B. I am thirsty. I will get a glass of water. C. I am thirsty. I am getting a glass of water. D. I am thirsty. I got a glass of water. Correct answer, I am thirsty. I will get a glass of water. Simple future tense. Question number 199. Which tense is used for experiences that happened at an indefinite time in the past? A. I ate sushi last night. B. I have eaten sushi. C. I am eating sushi. D. I will eat sushi. Correct answer, I have eaten sushi. Present perfect tense. Question number 200. Which tense describes an action that was ongoing in the past when another, shorter action occurred? A. While I read, the phone rang. B. While I was reading, the phone rang. C. While I have read, the phone rang. D. While I read, the phone rings. Correct answer, while I was reading, the phone rang. Past continuous tense. Like, comment, share and subscribe.